Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel as Josh PhD. So we're about to get started with a new video. I'm going to be talking about the DJI Phantom 4. So get started. We're about to get started and make sure you watch this video, turn on your post notification, and subscribe to the channel. Here is the DJI Mini, the DJI Phantom 4. And this DJI Phantom 4, another feature is that this drone actually, considered drones with professional grade. The picture this captured almost the entire product using related better quality sensors and 3-axis gimbal. The recreational user of these semi-professional users are capable of flying the Phantom 4 series 4 drone. Like I said earlier, I mentioned some features about on this drone. And we also have the propeller. This is the propeller. It comes with, I think, extra 2 propeller once you buy this drone, designed by DJI company. So this drone has to be controlled or piloted by a professional, not someone that is just learning drone, because it can kind of be difficult for you to do smart work with this drone. So very quality camera, smart, intelligent enough to do whatever I want to do and get it done fast. So as we're about to get this done, let me show you we also have we have the controller, which I will demo it to you. Okay, now this is the propeller, the controller of this drone. So it comes with a nice setup. Whenever you want to shoot a video, all you need to do is place your phone at the bottom of this spot, then you make sure the antenna is being placed properly rather. So this way, any way you want to do it. So here is the setup for the control. Then you can now turn on the remote. Once you are done with that, and as you all know that this drone can fly as high as you don't expect. This is a very nice drone. Click here to turn the drone on. You can see, so the drone is actually powered on. It's on. So I basically love drones like this. Helps you do whatever you want to do, get it done at the right time and all that. This is DJI Phantom 4. So if you go through here, you see the camera very nice and all that. Nice camera sensor for obstacle. Trying to this video. So I was saying, guys, let me try to power this drone back. So you tap on this once, twice, and the drone is 1, 2. So it turns on now. Yeah. So can you see that? Moving on with this video, you see that this drone is actually turns on, and here is the camera. Here is the camera, beautiful camera for quality job, man. So here's the camera, nice drone. Yeah. So you might have been saying a lot, how do I get this done? How do I become a drone pilot, and how do I become successful with my piloting skills? You need this drone, you need to get it. So the actual price of this drone is less than $2,000. Let me just say approximately 600 to 700,000 in naira. So this drone goes about, the weight is about 1,780 gram. That is the weight. And also secondly, the drone it lasts for like 28 to 30 minutes whenever you are using it. That is a lifetime, battery lifetime and all that. Okay guys, much review about this drone. So I'm gonna turn it off now. Yeah, let me turn it off. Gonna be great. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. So so many features about the controller. A lot of features. Here you where you charge the battery. Then we have where you connect to the USB port. Here you actually connect the USB port to get the charge, and another external USB. So record, zoom, double click, place your phone, power button, you can in a lot of functionality being branded by DJI. So guys, lots of so you turn it on here. So let me turn it on back. So I will be saying a lot about the drone and how you can get your hands on buying this nice drone and the propeller. This is a controller. So let me bring it in two view so I can get a clear view of both the controller and the drone itself. So these are both the drone and the controller. Both the drone and the controller to the channel. So I'm about to round up with this video. This is the DJI Phantom 4, and I'm done with the video about to get uploaded on the channel. To subscribe, watch this video. This is our mini space we have right now for shooting our video. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. I'm just creating this content for you to watch. So do subscribe, share.